The safety net of data backup has now become an essential aspect of managing our devices. Whether it's the irreplaceable memories captured in photos, crucial documents, or cherished conversations, losing data can be a heart-wrenching experience. But fear not, for the technology offers a solution: the Android Backup Extractor. Next, we shall cover the top 5 best Android backup file extractors for you. Top 1. Best Android Backup Extractor: MobiKin Android Backup and Restore. MobiKin Backup Manager for Android stands out as a top backup extractor for Android in this regard, boasting a track record of successful backup and data extraction operations. How to use MobiKin Android Backup and Restore for Android Backup and Extraction. Step 1. Download and install the tool on your computer. Once installed, launch the program and connect your Android phone using a USB cable or Wi-Fi. Step 2. Upon detecting your connected device, navigate to the main interface and select the Backup option to access the Android Backup window. Step 3. Preserve. After selecting the desired data types, click on Browse to designate a location for saving the backup files. Finally, initiate the backup process by clicking the Backup button. Step 4. Extract to restore the backup onto any Android device. Connect it to your computer. Within the interface, click on the Restore button and carefully follow the on-screen instructions to complete the restoration. Top 2. Android SDK Manager. The Android SDK software, a classic Android ADB backup extractor, offers a range of development tools, from debugging to libraries and tutorials. If you've backed up with the Android SDK Manager, you can use the same tool to extract data. Top 3. MOBILedit. MOBILedit is a software tool that allows users to manage their mobile devices. It offers features such as phone content transfer, data backup, and extraction. Top 4. Dr.Fone Backup Android. Dr.Fone Backup for Android is a user-friendly software designed for easy data backup and restore on Android devices. It supports various data types, ensuring your information is securely stored on your PC. Top 5. DroidKit. If you've backed up an Android device with Google Drive before, consider DroidKit. When looking for a backup extraction tool, this is a professional recovery utility specifically designed for Google Cloud backup.